So friends, our next topic is about Sphinx. So in these Sphinx, we need to know about the abstract window toolkit. So abstract window toolkit and its limitations. So abstract window toolkit defines a set of controls, windows, dialog boxes. Okay, abstract window toolkit defines a set of controls, windows, dialog boxes that support a usable but limited graphical interface. Okay, so suppose it defines a set of controls, windows, dialog boxes that support usable but limited graphical interface. Why it supports AWT supports only limited graphical interface? Okay, so the reason for limited graphical interface means the reason for limited nature of the AWT. The reason for limited nature of the AWT is that so AWT translates its components. AWT translates its components into their corresponding platform specific equivalents or Ps. Means AWT translates its components into their corresponding platform specific equivalents or Ps under weak name. So AWT supports only limited graphical interface. Why it supports limited graphical interface is nothing but so AWT translates components into their corresponding platform specific equivalents or Ps. Okay, so this means that the look and feel of a component is defined by the operating system, not by Java. Means so components are translated into the platform specific components. Platform specific components is nothing but are operating systems. Means the look and feel of a component is produced by, or the look and feel of a component is defined by platform or operating system, not by Java. So that's why it is having limited features, limited graphical interface. Okay, because the AWT components use native code resources, they are referred to as heavyweight. Okay, AWT components uses native code resources. So these native code resources are known as heavyweight. Okay, so AWT by using AWT we have some disadvantages. So now look at what are those disadvantages. Okay, so the first disadvantage cheppalante, on different platforms are variations between operating systems, a component might look or even act differently on different platforms. Okay, so variations between operating systems. Okay, so variations between operating systems, a component might look different or a component might act in differently on different platforms. Okay, next the second one, the look and feel of each component was fixed. Okay, and could not be changed. The look and feel is fixed and cannot be changed or could not be changed in any way. Okay, so these are the disadvantages. Means so these disadvantages or limitations are overcome by using a new technology, that is the Sphinx. Okay, so Sphinx were introduced in 1997. So these Sphinx are used to overcome the limitations of the AWTs. Okay, so Sphinx are used to overcome the disadvantages of AWT. So means so AWT is base for Sphinx. So we create a Sphinx with the help of AWT. Means AWT is the basis for all Sphinx. Okay, so that's why AWT is the crucial part of Java. So this is the crucial part of Java. Okay, so AWT uses different event handlers or event handling techniques. Sphinx also use different event handling techniques or event handling mechanisms. Okay, so Sphinx were created to address the limitations present in the AWT. Okay, actually Sphinx were created to address the limitations present in the AWT. So we means it does this through two key features. Okay, so the two key features are lightweight components and pluggable look and feel. Okay, so Sphinx address the limitations of the AWT. So the Sphinx address the limitations of the AWT through two key features. The two key features are lightweight components, pluggable look and feel. Okay, so Sphinx components are lightweight. So in this first one, Sphinx components are lightweight antunnam. So what is lightweight? Sphinx components are lightweight. Okay, this means that they are entirely written in Java and do not map directly to platform specific piece. Okay, so Sphinx components are lightweight is nothing but these Sphinx components are entirely written in Java and do not map directly to platform specific piece. Okay, so we write Sphinx components entirely in Java. Sphinx components entirely in Java. Okay, and do not map to any specific platform piece or any platform specific piece or any platform specific piece. Okay, so thus lightweight components are more efficient and more flexible. So furthermore, because lightweight components do not translate into native piece. Okay, lightweight components do not translate into native piece. Lightweight components do not translate into native piece. Lightweight components do not translate into native piece. So the look and feel of each component is determined by Sphinx, not by operating system or not by underlying operating system. So look and feel of Sphinx component is determined by Java, not by underlying operating system, not by underlying OS. So lightweight components do not translate into native piece. Means so native piece are nothing but platform specific components. Okay, operating system lightweight components do not translate into native piece. So that's why the look and feel of Sphinx components is determined by Java, not by operating system. Look and feel of component is determined by Java, not by operating system. In AWT, the look and feel of Sphinx means the look and feel of components is determined by operating system. But in Sphinx, the look and feel of a component is determined by Java program. Okay, so this is about the Sphinx components are lightweight. Okay, next Sphinx support pluggable look and feel. ఓకే, సో ఇంతకుముందు మనం ఇక చెప్పుకున్నాము. సో స్వింగ్ కంపోనెంట్స్ ఆర్ రిటర్న్ ఇన్ జావా. ఓకే, సో స్వింగ్ కంపోనెంట్స్ ఆర్ రిటర్న్ ఇన్ జావా మీన్స్ so the look and feel of a component is under the control of Swing. So the look and feel of component is under the control of swing, under the control of swing. Okay, సో లుక్ అండ్ ఫీల్ ఆఫ్ కాంపోనెంట్ అనేది స్వింగ్ యొక్క కంట్రోల్లో ఉంటుంది, అంతేగాని ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ పైన డిపెండ్ కాదు. దిస్ ఫ్యాక్ట్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్ టు సపరేట్ లుక్ అండ్ ఫీల్ ఆఫ్ ఎ కంపోనెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ది లాజిక్ ఆఫ్ ఎ కంపోనెంట్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఫ్యాక్ట్ means that it is possible to separate the look and feel of a component from the logic of a component. So we separate look and feel of a component from logic of a component. Okay, so the look and feel of a component is separate from each operating system. So that is the meaning of this line. So that is why it is known as swing support pluggable look and feel. Okay, so now నెక్స్ట్ ఇందులోనే మనకి స్వింగ్స్కి సంబంధించి ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇందులోనే మనకి కంపోనెంట్స్ అండ్ కంటైనర్స్ అని ఉంటాయి. కంపోనెంట్స్ అండ్ కంటైనర్స్. Swings support two GUI key components or two GUI key features. Okay, those two are components and containers. Okay, so component is an individual control. Okay, so component is an individual, so it is an individual control. Okay, so container is group of components. Container is a means it holds a group of components అని చెప్పచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ఇండివిజువల్ కంట్రోల్ జస్ట్ లైక్ ఏ ఇక్కడ మనకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇచ్చాడు పుష్ బటన్ అండ్ స్లైడర్. సో ఇంకా మనకి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ వస్తాయి. సో కంపోనెంట్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఇండివిజువల్ కంట్రోల్. ఓకే, సో జస్ట్ లైక్ పుష్ బటన్, స్లైడర్స్. ఓకే, సో కంటైనర్ ఈజ్ ఏ కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ కంపోనెంట్స్. Okay, container is a collection of components. Okay, so container is a special type of component that is designed to hold different types of components. Okay, container అనేది ఒక special type of component. So this is designed to hold different types of components. So now look at what are the components available in swings and what are the containers. Okay, now components. Okay, so swing components are derived from the J component class. Swing components are derived from the J component class. J component class నుంచి మనం derive చేస్తాము swing components ని. Okay, so J component provides the functionalities that are similar to all components. So J component provides some functionalities. So these functionalities are similar to all components available in our swings. Okay, J component class provides different functionalities. These functionalities are common to all components. Okay, so here J component inherits the AWT classes container and component. J component అనేది రెండు క్లాసెస్ని ఇన్హెరిట్ చేస్తుంది. సో అవి ఏంటంటే కంపోనెంట్ అండ్ కంటైనర్. ఓకే, సో components are specified by the classes. Okay, these classes are included in the package javax.swing. Okay, so components are specified by the classes. These classes are in the javax.swing package. Okay, so all swing components are represented by classes. The following list shows the classes for components. So here we describe one list. That list shows the classes for the swing components. Okay, so the following are the classes for the swing components. Okay, so ప్రతి swing component కూడా ఒక క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది. So the classes are, for example, JApplet is the class for the applet component. Next, JButton is the class for button component. Okay, J checkbox, J checkbox menu item. Okay, next to J dialog, J frame. So look here, J A capital letters, J B capital letters, J C. So remember capital letters in each and every class. J frame, then for example J menu bar, and J menu item. Okay, so J progress bar, J password field. So these are the different classes for components in the Sphinx. For example, J progress bar. Okay, J password field, then J table, J tree. Okay, J text field, so ఇంకా different components మనకు ఉంటాయి. J window. Okay, so these are the classes for different components available in the Sphinx. Okay, so all component classes begin with the letter J. Okay, so all component classes begins with the letter capital J. For example, there is a component label. Okay, so the class for the label component is J label. Okay, so all component classes begin with the capital letter J. Okay, all component classes begin with the capital letter J. Okay, now look at the containers. Okay, so Sphinx support two types of containers. So top level containers and lightweight containers. Top level containers and lightweight containers. Okay, so top level containers. So the top level containers are J applet, J frame, J dialog, J window. So these are the top level containers. Okay, so these containers do not inherit J component class. So actually components inherit J component class, but these top level containers do not inherit. So remember this one, do not inherit J component. Okay, so these containers inherit component and container classes. Okay, so unlike Sphinx other components which are lightweight, but here the containers are heavyweight. Okay, so all Sphinx components are lightweight, but here the containers are top level containers are heavyweight. Okay, so a top level container is not contained within any other container. Okay, top level container not contained within any other container. Next, moving to lightweight containers. Okay, so lightweight containers, the second type of containers. Okay, so lightweight containers do inherit J component class. So top level containers do not inherit J component. So lightweight containers inherit J component class. So top level containers are heavyweight, lightweight containers inherit J component class. Okay, so an example of a lightweight container is, for example, J panel. Okay, ivanni kuda J panel, J menu bar, J table, J tree, except these four containers all are lightweight containers. Okay, all are lightweight containers. Okay, so here lightweight container can be contained within another container. Okay, lightweight container contained, lightweight container కెన్ బి కంటైన్డ్ విత్ ఇన్ అనదర్ కంటైనర్. ఓకే, సో లైట్ వెయిట్ కంటైనర్ అనేది ఇంకొక కంటైనర్లో మనకి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ది కంటైనర్స్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ.